European stock markets opened in negative territory on Monday as investors react to the escalating conflict in the Middle East. The Pan-European Stoxx 600 index dropped 0.3%, with the automotive, banking, and industrial sectors taking the biggest hits. The downturn follows similar losses in the Asia-Pacific region over the weekend. Adding to the market anxiety, energy prices are climbing, with West Texas Intermediate crude rising over 2.5%. In response to the crisis, finance and energy ministers from the Group of Seven are preparing for an emergency virtual meeting today to discuss the economic fallout. Asian financial markets experienced sharp declines on Monday, driven by ongoing tensions in the Middle East and rising energy costs. South Korea saw the biggest drop, with the benchmark Kospi index plunging nearly 3%. In Japan, the Nikkei index fell by more than 2.7%. The Bank of Japan is now discussing the possibility of further interest rate hikes as soaring global oil prices threaten to push inflation even higher. Meanwhile, in Australia, the government announced it will temporarily cut fuel taxes by 50% to provide relief to consumers facing higher prices at the pump. Global oil prices are surging as the conflict in the Middle East enters its fifth week. Brent crude oil jumped by $4, reaching over $116 a barrel. West Texas Intermediate crude also climbed, surpassing $103 a barrel. The price spikes come as key shipping routes face disruptions, including the strategic Strait of Hormuz, which handles roughly 20% of the global oil supply. Financial analysts warn that if the conflict continues, markets will likely see higher inflation, increased interest rate volatility, and further strain on global energy supply chains.